feel it too, right? The world's humming again. Not loud enough for civilians to hear, but sharp, like a wire pulled too tight.
Yeah, that vibration never lies. Every time the maps start changing colors faster than the analysts can brief us, something's coming loose.
Ukraine still bleeding. Middle East simmering, never cooling. Indo-Pacific turning into a chessboard where nobody admits they're playing chess. Everyone calls it stability. I call it stacked dominoes.
What worries me isn't the conflicts themselves. We've lived with those forever. It's the overlap. Proxy wars brushing shoulders, supply chains becoming weapons, information moving faster than bullets.
And nobody wants to be the one who blinked first. Deterrence used to be about missiles. Now it's about narratives.
Until time runs out. One bad decision and suddenly 5 flags are involved instead of 2.
You ever wonder how close we are right now?
Every day, but the world's always been closer than people think. The difference now is speed.
Still no global fire. Not yet.
Because everyone knows what burns if it happens. Mutually assured destruction just learned how to whisper.
So we keep doing what we do. Watch the shadows, nudge when needed, lie when necessary.
We don't save the world, we buy it time.
And hope someone smarter uses it better.
Hope's not a strategy.
No, but it's what keeps old operators like us showing up.
That and bad coffee. You think he will be ready yet?
He better be. Because the world's still spinning and it doesn't plan on stopping.
All right then, let's get it done.
2026 better start showing some good vibes somewhere, or we will have nothing else to get positive vibes about. Long time no see, mon ami. Damn, I missed that fucking red lumberjack. The world didn't stop its course while you were on vacation.
And it doesn't plan to do so. We still have numerous threat out there where civilians are the first casualties.
Like it or not, I hope we get a better future ahead of us in 2026. But until magic happens and all comes at peace, we need violent good people to put down violent bad people. We need the 77th JSOC.
But let's get you up to speed on the situation at hand. We'll take the first plane to the Middle East. Operation Silent Anvil has been approved.
Just like the old days, Goliath. Let's fucking see how rusty you are, friend, or if you become sharp enough.